Hey everyone, today quite a hot topic actually. A lot of people ask me about this. They say they ask me, how do you stop clients ripping off your funnels? If you're doing stuff for them on a pay per lead basis, then how are you going to stop them looking at what you're doing, looking at what ads you're running, look at what funnels you've got, and just copying what you do and then kicking you off? Okay. Well, the first thing it's saying is that it's going to happen sometime. There's no doubt about that. All right. There's people that think they can do it on their own, whether it be on the pay per lead basis, whether it be an in-house marketing team. I've worked as an agency on a retainer basis, a pay per lead basis. It's happened to me both times. Okay. It just happens. But as we become more sophisticated and advanced, I'm like, good luck to them if they want to try that. I mean, the level of detail that we go into with our funnels now is just incredible. I mean, we look at everything, to get super fast load times on GTM metrics, 90 plus. We want to make sure that it renders on all mobile devices. We want to make sure that, the proper pixels are firing. We want to make sure that we don't have, too many pixels on there so it slows down load speed time. We want to be running, ads all over the place on YouTube, on Twitter, or on Facebook, on the Google Display Network, on Google Search. These are things that people can't quite copy because they don't know exactly what you're doing. All right. Not to mention if you're running survey funnels and stuff like that, you can have multiple decision trees that sit behind that quiz survey that take people on different paths based on answers that they give. That's impossible to reverse engineer. So you've got to trust yourself that you're actually a lot more sophisticated than you might think, and it's incredibly hard for companies to kind of rip you off. And if they're going to do it and they do a good job of it, then well, good luck to them. They're a decent company. But most of the time, they want to do what they're good at, which is closing business and making sales, not messing around with marketing campaigns. That's your job. So don't worry too much about it, is my advice. But if you do want to protect yourself, overwhelm them, all right? Explain to them that you're running traffic on all of these platforms, but don't tell them where the majority of the spend's coming from. Show them, write 50 ads, okay? There's only going to be one or two that really work out of that, but they don't know which ones they are, okay? So if they're asking for ads, show them 50 ads that you've written, okay? They'll have no idea how to copy it. Multi-ad platform, I just explained that. Tell them that you're running ads on Twitter and you're getting most of your leads there, when in fact it might actually be YouTube. You don't have to be as transparent as especially if you own the asset. You can be a little bit sneaky there. Give them multiple landing pages and funnels. All right, we often do this. We have brands that we build, lead gen brands, and a lot of our clients think that the leads come from the homepage. But actually there's multiple funnels sitting behind that homepage, which is where all of the traffic is pointed to. So we see people trying to copy our homepage for their lead gen funnels, and I'm like, well, that's not going to work. Be clever with the fan pages. So if you're advertising on Facebook, maybe you want to use an avatar or a different type of fan page they can't easily search. So they can't find your ads using the Facebook ads library. All right, that's another little clever hack. And the last thing is retain ownership of the assets. So we use Unbounce to build all of our funnels, and we either deliver that via our website. But if you are our own lead gen brand, but if you are delivering leads on a one-to-one basis for your client, make sure that you build the landing pages and build all those funnels on something like Unbounce and attach those pages to their website. So if they stop with you, then you can just remove those pages. All right, they can try and copy it, but you retain ownership the whole time. All right. So 6 cheeky little hacks there that'll protect you. I don't think you should really worry about it too much. If people rip you off, then good luck to them. And if they're good at it and they pull it off, then for me that's impressive. And that's happened to me once or twice before, and I've still got relationships with these clients. And eventually they'll ask for help somewhere because they respected us so much to rip our stuff off. And I've seen that happen over and over again. So don't worry too much about it. You guys have got bigger problems to worry about. like generating crap load of leads. So if you need help, if you think that paper leads are a good fit for you, then of course book a call with us. There'll be a link below this video, and we can run through what you're doing as an agency and whether or not you're a good fit for what we offer within our program. So if you enjoyed this video, that's good. Speak soon.